Challenges are never easy, but they always excite me. I never feel at ease playing things safe. That is why I chose not to become an engineer. It is why I chose to become a drone pilot.
A volcano in Iceland has erupted only 30 kilometers away from the capital, Reykjavik.
There's nothing more liberating than flying. I have flown over frozen lands and the highest mountains. But now that has become my safe zone. This is why I came here. The drone can see for you, but it cannot feel for you. For years, I've let my drone be my eyes, but this time it's not enough. Good job. Now it's my turn.
So, do you think we can go now?
I mean, it's too windy, it's raining. I think we have to wait. Why do you want to go there? You have a drone.
Because I want to see it with my own eyes.
The sound of the roaring earth is calling me. This time, I will fly. The aggressive heat, the growling wind, the fear and the thrill. You need to feel it all for yourself. Challenge your boundaries. Don't just watch it, feel it. Live for the challenge.